Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to test for iodine using an easy method. This simple patch test can give you an indication of your body's iodine status right at home. It's a straightforward process that involves applying a small amount of iodine to your skin and observing how quickly it disappears. We'll cover everything you need to know, from gathering your materials to understanding what your results mean. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything ready for your iodine patch test. First, you'll need a bottle of 2% tincture of iodine, which is readily available at most pharmacies. Next, grab a cotton swab or a small cotton ball for precise application. Finally, have a timer or a clock handy to accurately monitor how long the iodine stays on your skin. These few items are all you need to perform this simple test. Now, let's walk through the steps of performing the iodine patch test. Choose a soft area of skin, like your inner forearm or thigh. Using your cotton swab, apply a 2-inch by 2-inch patch of the 2% iodine tincture to your skin. Make sure the patch is evenly colored and clearly visible. Immediately after application, note the exact time. This is crucial for accurately tracking the absorption rate of the iodine. Interpreting your results is quite simple. If the iodine patch disappears in less than 6 hours, it could indicate that your body is quickly absorbing iodine, potentially suggesting lower levels. If it takes between 18 and 24 hours for the patch to vanish, your iodine levels are likely adequate. Remember, this is a general indicator, not a diagnostic tool. For more precise information, consult a healthcare professional. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing device, along with other great deals, in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.